Hello, good afternoon. Join me today. Just a little walkthrough video. I'm back in Khao Lak. I've booked myself in for a week's diving. I'm off for a liveaboard with Sea Dragon Dive Centre in Khao Lak around the Similan Islands and Rishili Rock, etc. So really looking forward to that. I've got 3 or 4 days before I go, so I'm just here for a little chill out. Flew in from Bangkok around about 4 days ago. I got the bus down to Hoi Hin, which it's a place I've heard about, never been to. So I just fancied the experience of going. I checked it out, been there. Last night I got the 13-hour bus ride all the way from Hoi Hin to Khao Lak. You're a bit stuck with your options once you're in Hoi Hin, because it takes 4 hours to get from Bangkok airport to Hoi Hin on the direct bus from the airport, which is really handy. I will put a link to this at the back of the video, so you can click on that if you fancy going there yourself via the coach. But to get further down south to Khao Lak from Hoi Hin, you've either got to get the long bus that drops you straight down and then across the mountain, which is a long process, which is, as I say, 13 hours. I got the VIP bus with a sleeping seat, so I did get a little bit of a rest, and it does go through the night. It was an evening pickup, so you get to sleep. Alternative, you can fly back down, but you've got the coach back up, which is 4 hours, and then you've got to get to the airport, check in a couple of hours before, and then you've got an hour and a half flight. Then you get to Phuket, and then you've got another hour coming through the customs, etc. Well, not customs, but picking up your bags, etc. From there on, you've got your taxi from Phuket up to Khao Lak. So really, it's no quicker to fly down as it is to get the coach down. Coach costs £30, to fly down, similar price, but again, you've got your transfer to Khao Lak and your coach from Hoi Hin to the airport, so it works out a little bit more expensive, especially if you're paying for baggage. So I woke up this morning, had a few beers with a friend I met last night at the dive centre. We're not on the same boat. He's already out today on his liveaboard. I go out on the 30th, so I'm really looking forward to that. Just been to Walker's for a full English breakfast. I've not eaten properly for a day and a half. We're doing all the travelling, and I've just decided to come and have a little walk on the beach. Let you know where I am. I will be doing a couple of videos while I'm here. A few people have requested a few hotels that when I was previously here, I didn't get a chance to film, so as requests, I will be making a few of those. It was low season when I was here last, which is May, June. So the whole place was a lot quieter. So I will do another evening walking tour through the centre in the evening, because it was really quiet last time I was here. It'll give you more of an idea. People coming in high season, what to expect. All the bars, restaurants are now open as well. So there's a few places I'd like to show you, restaurants that were closed last time I was here or being renovated. So I'll do a little tour of those as well. So if you do like this kind of content, give my channel a thumbs up, a like, subscribe. It's completely free. I just make these videos for people who are like-minded like myself. I just like to go for a mooch around, as Jeff Carter would say on his little travelling videos, just to give people an idea what to expect when they come to these places. You know, you're spending a lot of money when you come into these kind of resorts. You're spending thousands of pounds if you're bringing a family. The feedback I've got since starting the channel, which was only at the beginning of this year, has been very positive, and people have sent me some lovely emails back saying it's really helped with their selection of hotel, selection of location, whereabouts have stayed, restaurants have gone to, etc. So I'm happy to keep making content. So do give me a like and subscribe. It will boost my channel. It will let my audience grow, let more people see my content. So I'm just going to go for a walk on the beach. Just had a massive breakfast, so I need to walk that off. And I will catch you probably later on in the evening and do a little walking tour. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, cheers, bye.